Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Death Stranding Director's Cut not installing on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on Windows PC. If the game gets stuck, won't download, or fails to install, just follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu, type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset and let it run. This will reset and repair the Microsoft Store automatically. Once it finishes, the Microsoft Store will reopen. Solution 2. Next, open the Start menu again. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command: sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish repairing your system files. Solution 3. Now open the Start menu and type Xbox App. Right-click Xbox App and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair. Once the repair finishes, click Reset. After that, try downloading the game again. Solution 4. Next, open the Start menu and type Microsoft Store. Right-click Microsoft Store and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair. Once it finishes, click Reset. Solution 5. Reinstall gaming services. Now, copy the first command you'll find in the description of this video. Open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Paste the first command and press Enter. Now copy the second command, paste it into PowerShell, and press Enter. When a window opens, click Get to reinstall gaming services. Wait for gaming services to finish installing. Once everything is done, restart your PC. After restarting, open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and download Death Stranding Director's Cut again. And that's it. This should fix Death Stranding Director's Cut not installing on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.